My lip gloss is popping. It's popping. So, you want to learn how to be confident. So, you want to learn how to be a bad chick. Then you need to stay tuned. Hey, what's up? It's your girl Dajenaec, and before I get started, make sure that you hit the like button and also subscribe. But yeah, so we're gonna talk about how to be confident as plus size, curvy, whatever you want to call it. So first things first, I have what I call like my bad BITCH playlist. So my go-to song is Back That Up by Cash Money Millionaires, because I'm just saying, when you hear that, see, don't tell me that you didn't start, you know what I mean, because that makes you, I do things that make me feel good. So I know that personally, when I have my nails done, I just feel like, ooh, ooh. And also, like, when I have my hair done, you know, I'll be feeling cute. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't have to be outrageous. Like, I ain't got no weave or anything. You know what I mean? I could if I want to, but I don't. But, you know, doing things like that can make you feel better. Listen, I got me some lip gloss. And lip gloss be poppin'. My lip gloss is poppin'. It's poppin'. But yeah, see, just me adding some lip gloss and my shirt pop. You know what I mean? Taking more care of your appearance. Now, you do not have to go and buy you a Gucci belt and a Louis hat and all that to look fly. Like, I am a bargain shopper. I buy everything on the low low. And, you know, buying a cute top is, you know, can make you feel good and stuff. So this crop top was actually made by one of my friends that actually designed this line specifically for plus size women. So I'm wearing it. I'll have her link below if you're interested. So I like it. I think it looks cute. It goes pretty with this background, and you know, it goes pretty with my nails, and you know, it makes me feel good. You don't have to dress up to impress anybody else. Just dress up to impress yourself. And you know, a lot of times if you wear something nice or something that, you know, is pretty, or it's just something that grabs attention, you'll get a lot of compliments. You know what I mean? Like this necklace I have, which is my birthstone, I kid you not, this is such a conversation starter. I literally will have people that are on the street walk up to me and ask me about this because it's so visible. Surround myself with like-minded people and with positive people. Now, I'm not talking about yes men. I'm talking about people that are genuinely happy for you. People that you can, you know, tell that you got a raise to. People that you can, you know, say that you know, splurge and bought a, you know, new phone and camera, and they're not going to judge you. You know, it's people that are not secretly envious of you. It's people that genuinely are happy. It doesn't matter what their situation is. They're happy for you. It took me a long time to understand that, because I can be very naive, but I know that the people that I have surrounded me and are in my corner are there for the long run, and it feels freaking good. So having a good support system that really supports you is very important. Last but not least, and I already made a video on this, you are what you say. So being mindful of what you say about yourself, who you say it around. But yeah, I think that, like, you also have to change your mindset. You also have to speak into existence. I spend a lot of time now hyping myself up, which I didn't do in the past. I'm just recently getting into doing that. Ooh, child, you hear my dog barking? He going off. You better be like Lizzo out here. You know what I mean? Like, you got to really think of yourself as, I'm beautiful. I have a good personality. People like me. I just want to be happy. And I will, live my life to the fullest of its ability. That's all you can do. You can't beat yourself up, because tomorrow is not promised. So why go through every day feeling bad? And I understand about people that have depression. I have depression, so I can understand that it's very hard, but it doesn't matter what you do. No one can give you that push and that confidence besides you. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. I'm gonna let y'all go. But, let me know below what you guys do to be confident, what your go-to song is. Because like I said, when man, see, just thinking about it makes me want to get up and dance. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.